Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. Now, let's start by expressing this 5 here as summation of 4 and 1 because we already have power 4 here. Of 16 power 4 plus 1 minus 16 power 4. And also, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a to the power of y. I apply this right here. Of 16 power 4 times 16 power 1 minus 16 power 4. So at this point, I factor out 16 power 4. 16 power 4 times. This divides 16 power 4. I have 16 minus 16 power 4 divides 16 power 4. I have 1. And from here, I have 16 power 4 times 16 minus 1. I have 15. So from here, I can express this in terms of 2. 16 equals 2 power 4. So this will be 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4 times 15. Now, if you have a power x power y equals a power x times y, 4 times 4, 16, so I have 2 power 16 times 15. I express this as summation of 10 and 8, 10 and 6. I have 2 power 10 plus 6, that is 16, times 15. And remember, a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here, I have 2 power 10 times 2 power 6 times 15. So from here, I need to find the value of 2 power 10. 2 power 10 equals 2 power 5 times 2, which is the same thing as 2 power 5 power 2, which is the same thing as 32, that's 2 power 5 power 2. This is 32 times what? 32. This will give you 1024. That's the power 10, so we have 1024 times 2 power 6 is 64 times 15. Let's start with this first 2. 1024 times 64. 4 times 4, 16. Carry over 1, 4 times 2, 8 plus 1. 9, 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4. 6 times 4, 24. 4 carry over 2. 6 times 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 4 carry over 1. 6 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1. 1, 6 times 1, 6. We add up. 6, this is 13. 3 carry over 1 out here. 5, 5, 6. From here, we multiply this with 15. This is times 15. 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 times 15. So from here, 5 times 6, 30. 0 carry over 3. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 3, 18. 8 carry over 1. 5 times 5, 25. Plus 1, 26. 6 carry over 2. 5 times 5 again, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. 7 carry over 2. 5 times 6, 30 plus 2, 32. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 3, 1 times 5. 1 times 5 again. 1 times 6, 6. We add up. 0, 14. 1 here, 10, 0, 1, 8 plus 5, that is 13. Let's go one out here. 8, and this is 9. So this is our answer. So this is our answer for 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4 equals 983,040. 16 is 2 power 4. We have 2 power 4. Power 5 minus 2 power 4. Power 4 is still the same thing as 983,040. So we have 2 power 4 times 5. That's 20 minus 2 power 4 times 4. 16 equals 983,040. So guys, here is it. Without the use of calculator, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Really appreciate that, and see you again in our next video.